Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, do you experience trouble with your Gmail account having too many spam emails, notifications from different websites? Friends, are you having difficulties with finding your important email messages because too many updates and alerts from the sites you don't need? So friends, in today's video we are going to explore the solution for this problem. So let's start. Friends, the solution is GmailNator. What is GmailNator? So GmailNator is free service that allow you to getting instant temporary email. It is also called as temp mail, 10-minute mail, throwaway mail, disposable mail, fake mail or trash email. Friends, it is used to prevent spam within your personal email address. Most of the site requires to register, to view the contents, to post the comments or to download. So we have to use GmailNator to get instant email without using our real email address. So GmailNator is most advanced temporary email service on web because it offers you to use Gmail email address in which other temp mail providers are not supported. Friends, one important thing here, never use temporary mail for important information. It is public email and accessed by anyone. So it is recommended that use your personal email address for important communication. So with GmailNator, you will get temporary Gmail email address. You can prevent spam. It can work with different websites and the email will get auto deletes within 24 hours. So let's start. First of all, we will visit the website called GmailNator. So in Google, I will search for GmailNator. So friends, this is the website which we need to visit. Okay, so I will open this website. This is the homepage of gmailnator.com. Friends, you might have seen different websites which provide you temporary email address, but this website provides you temporary Gmail address. So here you can see, just you need to tab on this go and it will take you to the account of this temporary email. Okay, or if you want to generate new address, simply click on this generate new button. It will create new Gmail address for you. Okay, so like this, here on top you have 10-minute mail. If you open this link, it will show you 10-minute email. So this email address is valid for only 10 minutes. You can see here the counter has started. Okay, so in order to create new address, you have to click on this generate new button. So like this, you will get temporary email address which will be valid for 10 minutes only. Friends, you can use this email address for registering on any website. Okay, friends, you can also create bulk email addresses. So just use this link, bulk emails. Now here select how many email address you want to generate. Okay, by default it will generate 100 email address, and if you tab on the generate new, you can see here it has generated 100 email addresses with having Gmail as a domain. Okay, so all these Gmail address will be valid and it can be used for creating account within any website. Friends, you can also create custom email address. So for creating custom email address, you have to click on this link. Now here you need to provide some random string with which you want to create the custom email address. So I will provide, for example, and if I click on go, so you can see here this email address is created with gmailnator.com domain. Okay, and you can use this email address wherever you want for temporary purpose. Okay, so all your mails will receive here. You can reload it, so it will load the emails regarding this email address. Okay, so like this you can use the GmailNetter website for creating temporary Gmail email address. Friends, now I will try to show you how you can use this temporary Gmail address for creating account. Okay, now I will copy this address and I will go to canva.com. Now on this website I will try to sign up with this email address. So name I will provide, then email address, and here we have to provide password. Now click on get started. Now you can see it will send an email on this given email address. So here simply click on go button. Now you can see the code is received from Canva. Okay, so click on this mail. You can see this mail is received from Canva. Okay, now we need to put this verification code here. Friends, you can see the account is created. Okay, so like this you can create account using temporary Gmail address. Okay, so wherever you need to provide such email address, simply you can use this gmailnetter.com website, which will give you temporary email address, as well as you can create email address in bulk. Okay, so friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.